Welcome, in front of me is REALME Note 70T, and in this video I am going to show you what to do if your smartphone doesn't detect your SIM card. The first thing that you should try to do is reinstall the SIM card. So grab a pin and carefully remove the SIM card from your smartphone. See if it's inserted like this. You can try to reinsert it in a different slot. This also might help. And then reinsert it into the phone. And check if your phone detects your SIM card in settings, mobile network. And if it's still not here, then test your SIM in another phone to confirm its functionality. The next thing that you should do is go to software, system and software update, and check if your device is up to date, because maybe it's a software problem on your smartphone. In order to check for the updates, you'll have to be connected to the internet somehow, for example using Wi-Fi. So connect to the Wi-Fi. Then go to software update and check if you have any updates to install. And if you do, then please take your time and install them. And the next thing that you can do is reset your network settings. To do that, go to reset phone, reset network and Bluetooth settings and confirm. And that's it. At this point, that's all I could have helped you with. And I hope that this video helped you, and I hope that it solved your issue. And if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.